All right, we're on day 3. Told you yesterday we were going to cut this opal on day 3. This afternoon, my granddaughter came over. We had a box of pay dirt from the Spencer Opal Mine, and we were kind of sorting through stuff, and we pulled this opal out of their pay dirt box. Now, this thing has a color bar that goes from here to here. So we're talking 3/16 of an inch color bar. It's got mostly greens in it. You should be able to see some of that color flashing. It's going to get more intense. So we're going to cut this one on day 3 instead of this one. We'll save this for day 4. So we'll go ahead and head over the machines and get shaping this thing. All right, let's shape this opal. Kind of going around the edges here and see a little bit what we've got. A little bit of a color spot in the top of it. Lots of color down the sides. Loads of color. Little sliver there. Bit of a glass sliver. Trying to get rid of that little tiny spot right there. There she goes. Alright, now get some more shape on this. Let something fall off the shelf there. Crashed pretty good. Keep shaping this study. Shape I want. I don't want to take off more than I have to, but I want it to be a nice shape. So. Alright, that's a shape that I like. So, we're going to go ahead and move over to this next wheel. Start smoothing out some edges. Okay, that's pretty much the profile I want. We are way blown out on light here. So that's the profile. Let's zoom back out of this thing. Alright, let's go ahead and move over to start polishing this. See if we can get a better color to show. Get a little bit of better light. Actually, when I shadow this, let me adjust that. See if maybe. Anyway, we're gonna polish. Alright, Let's move to the next polish wheel. Next. Okay, let's switch some wheels, keep polishing. Okay, here we go. This is day 3's opal. This is a Spencer opal. Came out of a dig box that I picked up the last time I was there. It's got incredible flash and color throughout the whole thing. That color bar is thick as can be. We'll go ahead and call this one done. It's beautiful, really beautiful.